Were the Igbo race perfect and then they were colonized? Was all our system working perfectly and we fell? It was the failure of the system that drew in the white man, not the other way around. The system had already degenerated before this whole colonialism came up. So at times people have to really shift their thinking about this whole thing. The white man did us this, the white man did us that. The sea separates us and the white man. Why didn't we cross over and colonize them? Is it not a fair sea? So if you start from the other side, it will swallow you. But if you start from here, you pass. So what's this idea of saying, what do we do? It is us that abandoned our statutes. And then this thing befell us. Individually, it is us that have to raise ourselves up. And as many individuals who take it up and do the work they should do, then you can now have that critical mass that can do something. So somebody talks about spirituality. Oh, the thing has to be connected. He's talking it in third person. Connect it. It has to be. It's future tense. Who is going to connect it? What do we need to do? What is your contribution to the thing? This is my own contribution. Imagine every other person contributed the same. Maybe it would have solved all these problems we're talking about. So I'm like almost like somebody who is saying, this is the little I've been able to do. And I'm still working on it. And I say, maybe you may be interested to look at this thing also. And then you can't go around telling other people how to convert them when you haven't sorted out your primary issues concerning it. So it's not as though that you don't want the world to change or something, but I think people don't really understand the kind of sacrifice and energy and effort required in some of those things. That's why they can sit down and say, the Igbos were great before. How do we? No, I don't think it's the right way to look at it. It's like somebody saying that the country is messed up. And then say the governor this. What are you doing about it? But you say, what do we do? Why are the Igbos keeping quiet? Who are the Igbos? What are you doing? So this whole collective we, I think people should eliminate it in problem solving. It should be like, what do I do?